So, Jazz, you were just telling me about this awesome app. What's it called?
It's called Vivino.
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 Cool.
Yeah.
Show us what it looks like. At the front.
So the app looks like this.
And
Look at that,
why is
little
it so
grapies.
amazing?
Why it's so amazing is that it seems to have the ability, and it's not failed me once. So, watch this magic. So I go to the camera. Yep, I take a photo of the label. I press use. Analyzing. Voila! It's giving me a rating.
So what's it telling us?
It's giving us tasting notes on it. So it's telling me whereabouts it sits on light to bold. Is it a dry or sweet? We can see that it's pretty dry, yeah, and soft. It's pretty well balanced in acidity, yeah.
So effectively, it's like Shazam for wine.
It's like Shazam for wine. Also, people that haven't got anything better to do,
Like us?
are subscribers, and they give you reviews. So show all reviews, so you can get where it sits. So it's pretty medium in popularity.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mid-scale.
and then you can go through and you can look at the separate reviews and collate. The most, yeah. So,
And
what am I saying?
And like, do you find when people review on these type of sites, they also say things like, "Oh, I like drinking Riesling and I like this one," or
Absolutely.
"I'm into more dry, so this one wasn't for me. But if you like dry, maybe you would like this more than I did."
Exactly.
So it can be helpful.
So So instead of just taking these taste summary notes,
Yeah.
you can also then go to the individual reviews and look at what their personal preference is, which then will be making having an impact on how they describe it.
And what would you recommend for food matching?
What do you mean?
Chicken tips?
Oh. Always the chicken chip. Okay. Now, the way that I teach my students to use this app and encourage them to use it is if they've got a particularly extensive wine list. So there are wines on the list that are either incredibly pricey, so the boss won't let them open it to taste it.
Yes.
Or there might only be, a couple of bottles left in the cellar of.
Or maybe it's a type that they know they're not into.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
And look,
so-
and we're talking about students that are only just starting to develop their wine knowledge.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful. So if at the table someone says to them, "Can you tell me a little bit about this wine?" Absolutely. I won't be a moment. Just let me go in, take a photo of that wine. Yeah, get the review, get what most people are saying are its characteristics, and you can have a little bit of a cheat. And
Love it.
Makes them feel like they know
They do.
a little bit more.
Because they always know more than they think as well, don't they?
Oh, absolutely.
Like it's pretty daunting. Stunning wine is quite daunting for people, isn't it?
It is. It absolutely is, and it's something that I've probably just started to explore with a little bit more depth lately. I used to be able to speak to the wine, and I used to be able to look at tasting notes and then cheat. The way that Vivino at a snap allows people to do that now. But yeah, it is, and you're surprised the more that you delve into it, how much you actually do know.
Yeah. And good opportunity
Thanks
to
for
drink
coming.
more wine. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.